See no man as an authority. Why should you ask man for permission to express when you realize that your world, in its very detail, originated within you and is sustained by you as the only conceptual center? Your whole world may be likened to solidified space mirroring the beliefs and acceptances as projected by a formless, faceless presence, namely, I am. Reduce the whole to its primordial substance and nothing would remain but you, a dimensionless presence, the conceiver. The conceiver is a law apart. Conceptions under such law are not to be measured by past accomplishments or modified by present capacities for, without taking thought, the conception in a way unknown to man expresses itself. Go within secretly and appropriate the new consciousness. Feel yourself to be it, and the former limitations shall pass away as completely and as easily as snow on a hot summer's day. You will not even remember the former limitations, they were never part of this new consciousness.